Yeah, you know how like all the LCS players sing in here and we think they're just trying to show off? Like it's really easy.
It's really easy.
Just
Riven are actually doing pretty okay, so.
All right, I can hold the turret, I think, but
Oh, that's bad. That's bad.
Oh!
Take her down.
Oh,
She's got a Nivea! What is
I'm
that?
still gonna kill the Buck Singer.
Scramble!
Oh my God.
Got Galio. Nice.
Nice.
Nice!
Let's
Trying
roll
to
it.
stop
We can't
them from
5v3.
fighting.
Oh,
Yeah,
everything. No, I thought I dodged it all. No,
Everything I have is
Oh,
AoE.
Jesus.
Ulti and
They're
8.
gonna get it.
Oh, my God. What? No. Godspeed, Rivington.
I have Zap in a second.
Get excited.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, nice
Nice shot.
shot.
Nice shot. We got it. We got it.
Next
Keep
time.
chasing.
Come on, explode!
Nice.
Yeah. Good work.
Yo, man, look at me, man. I got a